So the next topic is magnetic field lines. Okay, magnetic field lines means they are used to represent magnetic field in a region. So magnetic lines are used to represent the magnetic field in a region. So due to the magnetic lines we are observing in that there is a magnetic field is existing. So they are used to represent the magnetic field. They are magnetic lines are means magnetic lines are used to represent the magnetic field. Diagram observe cheyandama once. This is the bar magnet NS. So this is the south pole of the bar magnet. This is the north pole of the bar magnet. So in this observe here. So this is the magnetic lines. These are the magnetic lines of forces. So we can do the practical. So chudandama observe here. In outside the region, the lines moves from north to south. Arrow indication chudandama. Observe the indication. Arrow indication. The magnetic lines travels from north to south. Ekkada outside the magnet. Idi bar magnet. Bar magnet baita direction observe cheste north to south traveling nadustundi. But inside the bar magnet, observe here. This is the inside. This is the lines of force. This is the lines of force. Observe from south to north direction. The direction of the magnetic lines from south to north inside the bar magnet. But outside the bar magnet, the direction of the magnetic lines of force from north to south. Inside the bar magnet, south to north. So they are closed continuous curves. So మనం ఇంకా డ్రా చేసాం అనుకున్నామా, ఇలా వస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. సో దే ఆర్ క్లోజ్డ్ అండ్ కంటిన్యూయస్ కర్వ్స్. Tangent drawn at the point gives the direction of magnetic field. This is the tangent we can draw. This indicates the direction of the magnetic field. This is the tangent. Okay, the line drawn perpendicular to the field direction, that is the tangent line. Okay nama, the line which is perpendicular to the direction of the field is called the tangent line. That indicates the magnetic field. Okay, that indicates the magnetic field. And next, they cannot interact. They do not interact to each other. Outside a magnet, they are directed from north to south pole, and inside a magnet, they are directed from south to north direction. Ade kada man cheppukunna indaka. Inside the bar magnet, they are moving from south to north direction. Outside the bar magnet, they are moving from north to south direction. Okay. And next one, the magnetic field lines due to a straight current carrying conductor are concentric circles having center at the conductor and in a plane perpendicular to the conductor. Here this is the plane perpendicular to the, this is the conductor, this is the plane and this is the conductor which is perpendicular to the plane. In this we are taking current carrying conductor. They will produce concentrating circles. This is the concentrating circles are produced in a current carrying conductor. Okay, so the direction of the magnetic field lines can be obtained by the RHT rule. RHT rule means right hand thumb rule. Okay, so the direction of the lines in this observe by using the right hand thumb rule. What is the right hand thumb rule? We are considering a current carrying conductor. This is the current carrying conductor. We are taking like this. Okay, like this. So the thumb indicates the direction of current. Current flowing direction is indicates by thumb, and these four fingers are representing the direction of the magnetic field. This is the right hand thumb rule. Okay, this is our right hand. So observe here, this is thumb. This indicates the direction of the current, and this is indicates the direction of the magnetic field, and this is the magnetic field. Observe here, this is the magnetic field, this is the current direction. So right hand thumb rule means what am I? The thumb represents the direction of the current and the four fingers representing the direction of the magnetic field. That is the right hand thumb rule. Once I will repeat it. Magnetic field lines, they are used to represent the magnetic field in a region. Magnetic lines are used to represent the magnetic field in a region, and they are closed and continuous lines and they do not interact to each other. Tangent drawn at any point that indicates the direction of the magnetic field. We can draw a tangent like this. So that also indicates the direction of the magnetic field. So magnetic field ఏ direction travel చేస్తుందో indicate చేసే tangent line. Tangent line is nothing but a line which is drawn from the perpendicular to the plane. So they cannot interact. And outside a bar magnet, the lines traveling from north to south pole, and inside the bar magnet the lines traveling from south to north pole. So here we are considering a current carrying conductor, that conductor which is perpendicular to the plane, and they produce circles. They produce the center at the conductor, and in the concentric circles having center at the conductor and in a plane perpendicular to the conductor. Concentric circles are observed here, but that in concentric circles the direction will be indicated by the right hand thumb rule. This is the right hand thumb rule, this is the conductor. So our thumb indicates the direction of the current, upward direction, and the four fingers observing the direction of the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field. So these four fingers observing the magnetic field force. Okay, got it? This is our class, and tomorrow we will discuss the remaining question and answers. Thank you.